Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find Sadio Mane on the FIFA 23. So we can go for the customize, edit teams, club transfers, and we have to go for Germany. So we have to switch country and we have to pick Bayern München with the Bundesliga for sure, with the highest league in Germany. And when you open, you will find Sadio Mane on the second place. As you can see, appears right here. You can click on the X to transfer him to another country, league and team. If you want to confirm the transfer, you have to click X also. So yeah, as you can see, that's it for this video. Quick answer to your question. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.